Hi, this is Theresa here at Firkins, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram in Bradenton. Just took in this 2010 Jeep Patriot, and this is a limited edition. It has alloy wheels, roof racks. It's a brilliant crystal black metallic. Very nice color, glitters in the sun. Inside it does have power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It also has driver power seat and leather. This is a 5-passenger vehicle, room in the back for 3. Back end all lays down flat so that you've got lots of room for storage. It does have cruise control. 150,585 miles. AM/FM satellite radio, Bluetooth, and a CD player. There's your air conditioning, and it has heated seats. It's an automatic transmission. This vehicle will be priced to sell. If you want more information and pricing on it, please call Theresa here at Firkins. You can reach me at 941-807-1165.